Hey guys, it's Katie here. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about how to attract the right people into your business and into your life, and how to attract the right opportunity into your life. So a lot of times when we are starting out or want to start out doing something online, or building your own business, we tend to go out there and start looking for an opportunity. And a lot of times we do come across, a lot of not so good opportunities or fake opportunities and things that, as we all know, there's a lot of, scam out there online. Also, when we do find an opportunity and we join, we go out there and start looking for people that would join our business or buy our product, or depending whatever it is that you're doing. And a lot of times we forget that we miss the important aspect of building a business, and that is to focus on growing yourself as a person, focus on growing yourself as a leader, because that is what is helping us to attract the right people into our business and to attract the right opportunities or great opportunities into our life. So focus on personal development, focus on growing yourself more, spend more time on this than just spending all your time and effort on going out there and looking for people. That's important, but I believe that what is more important is to personally develop yourself and grow yourself. And as you are watching and listening and reading things that develop yourself, share with others. That will, provide value to your audience, to your following, and this will attract the right people into your business and into your life. So go ahead, and like this video if you liked it. Go ahead and comment below if you have anything else that you want to add on. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and go ahead and make it happen. If you haven't checked out my 7 aspects to building a successful internet business ebook yet, go ahead and check it out below this video, and I will also post a link below if you wanted to see what I am doing online. If you wanted to learn more about what exactly I do, go ahead and check out that link below this video as well, and I look forward to talking to you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Blessings.